In a business that's all about being at the front of the pack, a world of great signs and new ideas, your company's online look needs to match its product. But what if your website feels old and slow? An old site doesn't just look bad, it can chase customers away. It's an online problem that tells people you are not as advanced as you really are. That was a problem for Goldstab Organics. They are a global leader trusted for over 25 years for their PVC stabilizers and other special products. But their website was the opposite. It was hard to use and didn't work well on phones. It was clunky and didn't show the real strength of their company. Goldstab knew they needed a change. They needed a partner who could build a website that was not just a brochure, but a powerful tool for growth. And that's when 12Grids came into the picture. We knew the goal was to do more than just to make it pretty. The goal was to build a digital home that was smart, fast, and easy to use. We started with a full website makeover. We looked at everything that was wrong and rebuilt it from the ground up. We used the newest web tech to make sure the site was not just fast but totally reliable. We created a modern design that was sleek and clean, and most importantly, we made it fully responsive. This means it looks and works perfectly on any screen, from desktop at the office to a phone on the go. But a great website needs great content. We created a strong content marketing plan to help Goldstab to become a trusted voice in the industry. Our team wrote interesting blog posts and detailed case studies that didn't just sell. They taught people about the latest trends and showed Goldstab's deep knowledge. Then we ran a careful SEO audit. We found the right keywords, fixed technical issues, and aligned the content so people could actually find Goldstab online. After the revamp, traffic went up by 66.87%, organic traffic grew up by 73.69%, and new users increased by 66.53%. But don't just listen to us. Here's what Goldstab had to say. Find the link in the description to see the full Goldstab story and find out how we can help your brand get where it needs to be. Your journey to a stronger online presence starts here.